Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. Today is 8th of November, so I think this is after a long time, probably 5-6 days, cause I was traveling from India to Germany, so that's why I was not uploading any videos, so quite busy. So today's topic is comparison operator, and like within Cypher, yeah, definitely. When you're talking about Neo4J, definitely it's Cypher. So within Cypher, we are having multiple comparison operator, and the thing is that how we can use those like comparison operator and what are those comparison operator. That is today's our like course objective or tutorial objective. So this is tutorial 26. So now some of you are kind of very much like excited to see why I am creating this slide, because generally my tutorials are very flat. Some of you already complained that why I'm not creating any slides or PDF or any reference sort of document. Guys, I was like not thinking that is required, because I'm doing complete hands-on, but again, it's fair enough. Some of you are suggesting or recommending or asking for help, so definitely I came up with this thing. This is not very nice looking slide, but again, if I start making nice looking slides, so again my actual objective will be like kind of I will be deviating from my actual objective. So just forget about design, just keep like in mind that the content is until and unless the content is not okay, just let me know. So I think the content is okay from my side. So these are the comparison operator available within Cypher. So this is equality, this is inequality, this is less than, this is greater than, this is less than equal, and this is greater than equal. This is a symbol, and this is the sample query, and this is the query result. Don't like concentrate on this part at this moment. I'll explain this thing one by one. So this is equality operator. So definitely we are talking about Neo4j, or Neo4j is a kind of a database. So definitely we need to do some sort of operation within data, or you need to do some sort of manipulation, comparison, many things depending on your application. So definitely you need some sort of like operator while comparing some values or comparing some sort of like anything. So comparison operator is very important and very basic thing. If you know the use of this operator, you can do like multiple things. So your basic needs to be like clear. And the most important part, I'm not gonna like explain this thing with respect to any use case. Rather, I will explain the like basic uses of this operator, because after that you guys can do this thing n number of ways. Like for example, if someone is using any banking application, can be used in a different way. If someone is using some sort of like graph node based distance calculating application, let's say Uber, or kind of any decision making application, let's say for some sort of LinkedIn or something like that, so definitely that time can be used in a different way. But the fundamental objective or the fundamental like building blocks of comparison operator will be always same. I'm going to like expose you guys toward that part. So enough of talking. So first let me open the Cypher thing, and from there I will explain each and everything one by one, and after that we'll do the same thing from Python. So first, equality operator. So this is like with 2 as A, 3, or let's say 2 as B, return A equals to B as results. Now A and B both are equals to 2, so the result will be true. See, now if I make it, so now this is going to return false. See, so from one single query I can explain each and everything. So now if I make it greater than equals to, this is definitely going to return false. But if I make it 3, now this is going to return true, because 3 always greater than 2. Now same thing, if I make it less than, again it is going to return false. Now if I make it less than or equals to, this is also going to return false. But if I make it, let's say, greater than equals, so now this is going to return true. So this is very simple. So this part, and this part, okay, and I'm returning as result, means you can have anything, like let's say you can keep my name in the return. So 0 is true. So this is not any keyword, this is not a keyword, so you can select any of your choice. So this is very simple. Now all of you are understood like what I did now. So this is greater than equals to this is less than equals to, this is less than, this is greater than, see, this is not equals, and this is equals. So the complete thing is already written over here, so nothing fancy, nothing highly scientific thing, so I don't want to hide anything. So like, don't get serious. This is very simple thing. If you are clear on your analytical and you can think logically, then you will able to learn anything. That is the main motive. So see, within I think 1 minute 40 seconds I completed this whole tutorial of comparison operator, and I also like showcased like how you can use this thing from the Cypher. Now the main thing is that how you can use the same thing from like Python. So tutorial, okay, so it is there. So let's take the advantage of copy and paste tutorial 26, and we'll write only comparison operator. So now the fun part. Okay, from Neo4J import graph database. Now let's create one driver object is graph database dot driver URI. So in our case URI is going to be our Bolt protocol address, so this is going to be this. So guys, I think I should not use this part from the next video, because this is actually killing some sort of time, so rather I will try to copy paste this from the last tutorial. Okay, because unnecessarily I am wasting some time. So now it is 26th video, so all of you are familiar with this connection object or connection creation thing. Now the session, okay, so let's run this thing. Okay, something happened over here, I'm not sure what is that. Okay, what it is saying. Okay, I have given the wrong password. Okay, so now the query. Okay, now we'll copy paste any of this query from here, because this is always, this will be always the same thing, this part. Okay, okay, and let's result equals to sessions dot q1, and for I in result print I. Okay, so in this case this is going to return true. If we make it like less than or equals to, then also it is going to return true, because anyways it is OR condition, so true. If we make it greater than equals to, this is also going to return true. Now if I make it greater than, this is going to return false. If I make it less than, then also it is going to return false. And definitely if you make it not equals, then also it is going to return false. So again, it takes only 2 minutes of time for me to explain the whole thing. So guys, you can understand, so if you spend like if you guys spend only 1 hour per day, you can learn many new things. So this is very simple. Only the thing is that you have to have your willpower enabled within yourself, and you have to have the hunger for learning new things. So that's all. That is the main motive. You can learn anything. So guys, enough of talking, enough of knowledge, and enough of psychology, philosophy, so whatever. So don't get me wrong, I'm just trying to make it kind of fun oriented way, because you can see the timing is 6:12 in the morning and it is 4 degrees outside. So I wake up in the morning for this video. So I'm also feeling sleepy, but just to make it some sort of like fun oriented way, just so that I should not make it boring. So sorry for that, guys, if someone is not okay with this way of teaching, but again, this is how it is. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the series. Don't worry, I will try to upload this thing as well in the course description, as well as I will try to upload this thing via some sort of GitHub or other repository. And also if you have some sort of question, suggestion, recommendation, feedback, complaint, you can always reach me out, and I will try to answer your question as much as possible. I'm not sure about the timing, but again, I will try to make it like quick from my side. So next thing, those are actually watching our channel for the first time, I will highly recommend you guys, please subscribe to our channel, and do let us know how you are like finding our course. This is kind of boring, this is lengthy, or you need some sort of more detailed thing. So that is also going to be change our quality. So we are also new to this game means definitely it is a like online learning game. So we are also new to this field, so you are keep continuously trying to improve ourselves. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and stay tuned for more updated videos on our channel, and as well as you can follow us as well in the Udemy. Just go to Udemy and search with my name, Ronnie Dash, and you will get all the courses listed over there. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.